Garcia Production. Garcia. Tangira dutse barakwereka tangira mu mazi. Si waramushaka ndayizaye. Uko dutangira barakwereka mu mazi. Ni bande barimo?
Ask the Einsteins back there.
Scientists, kumbe sai umwe mu bakomando bari baherekeje ba scientists n'abashakashatsi. Yavuga ko hari cyabonye.
Well, you're wrong. We wouldn't even be here. So there is a problem. We have to find it.
Uba ni mukuru neza mutubwira abo turi ni bari ikibazo gihari. Bari muri za coordinates ari cyo bashakisha hano mu mazi.
Entire world full of geniuses and scientists in this.
Isi bavuga ngo ni abantu bibitangaza na ba scientists, entire world of geniuses and scientists. Kumbe ba scientists yari ikintu barimo gukurura. Ko bagakuruye bumvisha amazi ari ikintu kirimo gusatira. Ko barafasha kureba. Flesh wounds. Kajanza biti abashakashatsi mu mazi ari cyo bashakashakagamo barimo biza kuvumbuka ko abakomando bagerageje kurasa ariko bikanga. Danny Garcia Production presents. Danny Garcia yaraduteguriye neza cyane Garcia. Garcia aracyadutegura Danny Garcia film. Kevin Sobo abo bose n'abakinnyi barakwereka abaganga tumaze kubavaho ndetse n'abakomando bari kumwe nabo umukobwa n'umuhungu. Ibi byasaga naho bimaze kwescalating abaye bibi. Bukim Woodbine akarimo cyane. Bukim Woodbine barakwereka nta kindi cyabaye nuko ukishakashatsi Heather Mary Madison akarimo. Akashatsi bwabo bwarananiwe. Abakomando nta kindi bakoze abanyamerika kwishgupa bapushira umuntu umwe nta mpamvu bakurikirana impamvu mpaka bayimenye. John Lands yoboye ibijyanye n'amashusho kuyafata. Director photography. Aho abantu bapfiriye barakwereka abakomando baje kwazinga barazenguruka. Ntabwo byagarukiye wari wahageraga. Kana yaragutegereje captain arazamuka. Kana aramutegereje dore ukuntu captain yaje yiyambariye ni nk'umukoboyi. Mani kana aranshakira ikiwanga. Colonel Kana.
He'd like to speak to you alone.
We're here, gentlemen.
Aragushaka wenyine. Wants to see you alone. Mani nde wasiga fandi wacu. Yazanye n'abakoboyi gusa nawe yambaye nk'umukoboyi dore ukuntu bambaye. Bamanika. Nigga mani. Danny Garcia na Gabrieli Saint. Say Gabriel. Garcia Dan. Eske. Yarahimbi. Garcia Dan. Yarayoboye filmira. Niko filme yisu wayoboye niko yitwa Garcia. Washington DC 16 hours. Masaha 16 tugaruka Washington ku muntu ukomeye cyane umuyobozi ukomeye. Pentagon mu kigo cya gisirikare gikomeye cyane nako mu birindiro bikuru by'abakomando. Ministeri y'ingabo yabo Pentagon.
You should see this, sir.
Nyakuba biruta no kwabona you should see this sir. No bashi cyayi banze ndebe ibyo. Aske.
Can you take that and give me a minute, please?
Yes, sir.
Uze yamusabye kujya ngajyana agakawa hirya hari inkuru ashaka kujya ngatange. Numugabo ukomeye cyane you should see this sir. Numwe mu bantu bakomeye ba Amerika. Arangije aca muri raporo asanga Dudu yanageza aca muri raporo adiko ari mubi. Afata telefone. Baginga sana. Hello?
Alpha 4. I need hourly updates on what's going on there.
I need Howard to update me on what's going on there. Ndagira ngo Howard ambwire n'ikijya mbere aho ngaho.
Black curtain all transmissions and keep recon away from the team. You understand me? Good.
Mukomeze mukurikirane hanyuma kandi ndashaka kugira ngo ikipe imbwire n'ikijya mbere. Muranyumva mudahagarara. Byiza cyane. Good. Fandi yatanze amakuru. Nako yatanze gahunda igomba gukorwa. Bakurikireza transmission.
Push my lunch back to 2 and give me all the information you can on the team that Jim will put on the ground and anything else pertaining to the project. Thank you.
Kumbe uyu musaza ari project yari ikomeje kujya mbere yasaga nimurwaje umutwe. Undisclosed location. Barakwerekana none ahantu hatazwi badushoboye kuba batubwira ngo nahangaha hari waruje ngo hari ikipe igomba byanze bikunze gufatwa kugira ngo bayijyane out transmission zari zapfiri. Hari icyo barimo gushaka batarimo kubona ni igiki? Captain yaraje kwa Colonel Kano.
One of the last fine pleasures in life, son. A good cigar.
Urumwe amasore banyuma nashoboye kuba nakwishimira umusore muto ubu dore kuri kasiga karyoshye
Like,
akumva
can I give you a few more, sir?
amuha kuri kasiga ni ibitabi siga zinywebwa n'abakire ntabwo ari biya mata babonekana anywebwa na buri wese wose ujya gusanga ugasanga bagashiri koko bose bari ku itabi iri si rya buri gashiri koko.
And he said he wanted my very best men.
Twaguhisemo kuko uri umwe mu basore bazi guhitamo ikipe ushobora gukorana nayo.
My son, that pencil pushing prickle. Have my nuts for lunch. I screw this one up.
Aho tugiye kubohereza nanu mugiye kugenda uwo mwasanga wese menye ko ari umwanzi.
Never really bounced back from worse, sir.
Nabizi neza uri kumamagaye nyakuba bari intambara.
Seen in the mirror.
Kuri nshuro tugiye mu biki.
I was in the middle of some nice, huge fucking tetas.
Afande kano ntabwo yigeze duheruka mubwira icyo bagiye kujyamo gusa tuzarimo kumubwira ati icyo nzi nuko buri kumamagaye tuba tugiye mu ntambara. Tugaruka hakuno mu bisore. Mani
Hey, roll me up.
Yeah, baby. Vayo kadugara, vayo kavana ibyo bishaka. Asya.
Illegitimate children, motherfucker.
Umbuko bakaje bari ku kibuga cy'indege gikomeye cyane badashobora kuba batubwira ni hehe.
That have gone missing from a training facility that never existed.
Hari abaganga babiri bagiye aho abasore bacu bakorera imyitozo hanyuma bajyana n'abakomando babiri batwara ababuze.
Intelligence says that there's a terrorist training camp nearby.
Bavuga ko hari inkambi y'ibyiye biri aho hafi yaho.
We want you to go in and find them
Turagira ngo ujyeyo.
and bring them back.
I want you to go and find them and bring them back. Turagira ngo ugende dushakira abaganga hanyuma bagarure. Nibuke neza abaganga babiri filime itangira bari mu mazi hagati. Bari kumwe n'abasirikare babiri.
And you should know.
Uba kandi ugomba ubikoresha ikipe yawe ndayizeye. Gusa abaganga aho bakoreraga ubushakashatsi hari inkambi yindi y'ingabo zitoza zitazwi iri aho hafi. Sasa bahereje ikipe ya special force idasanzwe Woodbine. Joaquim numwe mu bagiye kuyobora ikipe igiye kujyayo. Ajye gushaka abaganga babiri bashake n'abo bakomando babiri bahaburiye babazane kumbe Joaquim kagiye kugenda Joaquim Woodbine. Ntabwo agomba kugenda wenyine dore abarasta agiye kujyana my friend ngabo waje yambaye neza n'uwambaye sengeri isa n'ipantaro abandi bose ni ibintu bidahuje.
1,000 for each of you. That is if you get a gold star on top of your book report.
Musare gusibye ugiye gukora umenye neza ko hari inkambi y'abantu batazwi kandi abashobora kuba ari abanzi. Ibyo ukora byose wirinde n'abasore bawe. Mugende muzi ko mugiye kugwa mu banzi.
For covert operation.
God bless America, sir.
In operation ishwe, this is a covered operation.
Report. Under each one of your pillows. I'm going to have you and your team bunk an A-wing buried. Now the airboat will pull out at 0600 to take you to a chopper.
Ntabwo turi bwemere ko muvayo kurinda mbese hashize amasaha 600 hours amasaha 600 tuzanye indege
24 hours after your feet touch ground.
hanyuma hasigaye amasaha 28 asigaye kugira ngo mube mwagezeho ibirenge byanyu 24 hours left to fit your feet there.
Attack with reinforcements.
Do I look like the tooth fairy, son? Stick your hand on that pillow, you ain't going to find nothing there.
Ubufasha se musore icyo tuzi neza nuko niyo nkambe muramutse muyabonye muri busange y'abantu bake cyane ntabwo muri busange bikanganye. Joaquim mission niwe yakiriye agomba kuyobora abasore bagomba kujyana nawe n'umusirikare.
Tyler,
Captain,
what if you can't deal with this new person you see in the building?
Well, then, sir, I'll just skip myself.
mu kugenda kwa hari undi muntu mushyashya turi bukungeho atari umwe mu usanzwe usa.
Because no one else gives a shit.
Biraza kunezeza niba rimwe mwohereje nyakubahwa Mr. Kano sir. Amasaha ane gusa nyuma yaho wa mugabo yari yahamagawe. Hello?
The order's already sent. All right, send in an asset to be our eyes on the ground. Gather intel from the local operatives. And brief us on the situation on the ground.
Oya mujeyo hanyuma ikindi muri bukore nukundi debrief me on the situation. Muze kumbwira situation uko imeze.
Yes, we're sending our best, sir.
Wohereje ikipe ya mbere undatse cyane. Baza gusubira hamagara abandi.
Pins ago. Sending information now. We should be getting information in an hour. Call my wife and tell us it's going to be a long day.
Makuru nyakuba yakiriye na makuru asa n'ataryoshye. Bohereje ikipe nziza ishoboka gusa none ntabwo baza bagiye guterana ibandi. Bateye bande katurori. Uwo bagiye gushaka n'abaganga babiri n'abakomando baburanye nabo. Aho babohereje barakeka ko ari ikigo cy'inkambi yitorezwamo abasirikare batazwi n'amakipe y'abasore ngiye kugenda mwana murekere kumpereza namwe mwihereze muzi bastard harimo cyamukara igihe kibuke muri sniper gatatu.
Good morning, Lieutenant.
No muri Jackson's League.
Every day above ground is a good day, sir.
Well, speak for yourself.
Sir, it's Colonel's orders. I'm gonna need everyone's dog tags.
Come again?
What? Why the rat's ass?
Agiye kuboherereza umukobwa ngo iki? Ni kano nitegeko rye agiye kubohereza umukobwa. Akoresha umukobwa ari maragaye. Kumbi cyajunditse ubugoro. Buri wese aryo kwashaka. Fande ntabwo abavugaho ni mugenzi wabo.
Bear me high in Ford week.
Mwana batatwohereje ikidemu. Twebwe tuzi ko manga igikopo nta kidemu turi kumwe nako. Uba wamushenji. Hatagira utumenyera. Bastard.
Yeah, boss.
Boss.
Care what happens to me out there, but
twebwe tuba tugiye mu byacu nk'uwo mukobwa arimo arajyayo.
Nana gave up too much.
Ndabona bitari butunezeze na gatoya. Bacaho. Kumbe boss naratanga iryanyuma. Boss icyo bategetse nicyo bakora dore nawe uko yambaye. Buri wese agenda ibye buri umwe mwahagarara ibye.
Tags everybody, Colonel's orders.
Oh, come on, sir. This is bullshit. This is bullshit.
Let's do it. Get him up. Come on. Say sign off to those of us who never existed.
Try not to get a rash kissing all that ass.
Hey.
Fucking bureaucrat.
Good morning, Lieutenant Cassandra Mason, CIA.
Lieutenant Muraho nitwa Mason ndi wa CIA. Hanyuma ninge bavuga ko bari bubohereze kuva kare niba mwabyemeye niba mwabihakanye nge simbizi ntabwo ndi umukobwa mutansuzugura ndwana kigabo.
There's no women out on this field trip.
Ntabwo twari tuzi ko bari gutwereza umukobwa muri field tugiyemo.
Can't play with the boys?
Nanjye nshobora kuba nkina nk'abahungu. I might be playing like boys. Oze tuvuge ngo re iki nyabibiri.
And there's a boy above his head.
Ndumva ntacyo mwahindura ariko kuba noherejwe. Captain nagarabyumva.
Waste my time trying to stop me.
Ni igihe cyanjye nta n'umuri mu
Why
magari.
would we need you?
I know you're
Umukobwa twatagukeneye.
hard to believe, but this isn't my first field trip. I know the area better than anyone.
Ntabwo ariyo ntambara nzi ya mbere ngiyemo. Hanyuma kandi aho mugiye nta n'umwe uhazi kundusha.
Where would you like me to sit, Lieutenant?
Kereka niba ushaka kugira ngo ngusubize inyuma. Lieutenant. Captain kirimo kiramusubiza inyuma ngo ni Lieutenant. Bastard. Ndangu ino tugende. Bitch. Umwe atukundi n'undi amusubiza. Bitch. Wangu uyu mukobwa rwose mani ntabwo turi base matama wangu. Bijyatangiye kumurebesha imu.
Choice between bad and worse. Well, these guys can't fix it. Hell, nobody can.
Ubwato bwarahagurutse. Hey, uzi ko? Hey. Mu mashyamba. Baburiye mu mazi abinje mu mashyamba gushaka ko ariho babajyanye. Ni bande babajyanye? Kanura dore nicyo wishyuriye. Yewe ubu ngubu mfite uburenganzira bwo kubiba nashaka nkanayihutisha. Asike gariwe. Hey. Ega yanyu nayarangije. Nyungwe iraryoha kurusha iri. Mandos. Kumbe bamwe babaganga bakorera gushakashatsi.
Bet you're a sweet bippy. They died a painful death.
What do you got?
Sir,
Bandi.
the old scene's been pure.
Wakaje ukareba ibi ngibi noneho. Agatwe gashyushye.
They've been sucked out.
White House is worried about waterboarding.
Ain't no problem.
Mwana ibi ni iki byabaye hano wa?
Philip,
Yewe yewe.
you going?
Ntabwo we wajya.
Right, I've got a job to do just like you do.
Really? And what is
Mfite akazi ko gukora nko navuta
Let me
gukora.
tell you something, little Miss Sunshine. You're not going to come here and screw up my operation.
Ntabwo uri buzano ngo wangize operation
What
yanjye.
government bureaucrat sent you down here? But now that you are down here,
Niba ari
my
n'uwakohereje.
command. You understand that?
Niba uri na hano you are under my command. Uranyumva ninjye ukuyoboye.
Your head, yes.
Ibyo nkubwira kandi byose wemera uti yego. Urumva beat. Sawa bastard.
Definitely ain't no rag.
Abande. Nebera agatwe k'umuntu kameze gatya wowe urabona nkongoro buriya urabona ni nkongoro zamuriye ni iki kandi yarebyemo yikangamo abakomando baracyari hano bahazengurutse nago ntantu bari baje gukora ubushakashatsi ntantu wabajyanye uko yabakuye mu bwato wanga ndebera amaraso yuzuye hano wanga zo barabazwira hey
She was holding intel from me. I regret the day you were born. Jackie, search the boat, search the bodies, find me something. Jesse, you got perimeter. See if there's any more casualties out here.
Jesse, mubanza muzenguruke perimeter, secure the perimeter. Mugihagarare mupanuwe hanyuma murebe ko ari bakajute baba bari hano. Hey, kobwa ruri hano. Ombese mwokapa. Wangu, kikobwa cyega ko turi base matamasi. Urakireka ko turi bambaraga. Base matama ni abantu badakokinga turi amashamba barimo we. Uzi ko ari icyambu ugendamo kumanywa ukajya ngo ni nijoro. Kubera ukuntu aba ari inzitane. Cyamba riri hano. Yararya ubugoro. Nta kindi yashize imbere n'ubugoro. Ntujye ngo namenyo hasi maremare. Cyamba y'inzitane.
It's been one hell of a fight.
Boss, arame. Hano wari wacagaguritsemo.
There's a whole lot of shells.
Anagatangaza kwirinda.
It must have let off.
Biniki batoragura nakandi kantu batazi.
See, bodies of the bad guys. What's up with that?
Also.
Cyangwa ni imirambo y'abantu babi. Maybe these are bodies of bad guys. Mirambo y'abantu babi.
I guess before. Now you know I ain't one for quitting, but I mean they send us out in a trap, a death trap. Look at this. Some stuff you don't see on TV.
Hey, honey, you get scared?
Mukono gafite ubwoba basa. Genda hari nzakurinda mpaka. Urumva? Ndada muri yewe.
The year with the UN peacekeepers in Sudan.
Wakigorya ahubwo ni wowe ukeneye ubufasha. Wiki?
What a turn on.
Morupisi ubite nkokora kuryinyi. Rwazana kubidomo ngo rashaka kurubizo.
Up the track. Let's find these assholes. Yes, sir. Move.
Yakuba hano bashobora kuba harabaye agatego. Let us find these assholes. Ngo mureke dushaka ubutafari. Abakoze biriya babisu assholes n'ubutafari. Rugenda fatura, mapicha arafata. Basenze banica nabisha ariko uzi gucagagura umuntu sha. Bastard.
Damn it.
Commandos on duty. Sirikare mu kazi. Cyo mutabona ni cyari mwansabye iki nabazani. Sore bababwiye inkambi basanga aho hafi bamenye ko ari izabanze byanze bikoze. Kumva bo bita inkambi zira aho hafi dore bigabo birimo. Twatatswe kare we, twatatswe kare. Kigingo. Flesh, wounds, niyo turora. Ingoma zigishushi. Rugingo rw'imeke. Komando bageze aho bagera. Aptisi. Nimbe, yewe. Tuba. Kirarabura kirekura amasasu. Nabarinze amatwara sana wari yababandi bitaga ngo nibahaduye. Abantu bitoreza aho hafi kumbe dore ukuntu bambaye. Ngo basanga bose umenye ko ari abanzi. Kirarinze cyane. Murabizi kanyirase mu rugonga fa. Kagiye tagati yo mu rugonga. Araza fata tagati yitonze. Urugondo. Bigabuze ko birindira kure byene wabona ibirasubizayo. Kandi nabonye ari byinshi.
Colby, you stay on point. Everybody else, tight formation, double time, okay? Whoa.
What about me?
What about you?
I'm staying here.
Yeah, you are.
Nta kindi dusa n'abageze mu matwari y'abanzi. Twese tujye kwinjira mu jewe.
Okay.
Wowe uragumenya umurumva subira inyuma baby. Subira inyuma. Ariko man, hagira undi runkoraho. Umukobwa cyaze kimukoze ku gatafari ngo asigare inyuma. Yabaje ati what about me? Jewe. Bagabo mu matwari y'abanzi. Behind enemy lines. Nyuma y'imirongo y'abanzi. Commandos. Hey! Flesh wounds niyo turora. Hey! Niba biri mu bandekera. Ngaho jyayo.
Jackie, Jesse, left side.
Jesse na Jack, mwebwe muca kurya nyuma murihe ko mwabazenguruka. Namwe abandi muzenguruke hirya hanyuma tuye. Sasa tunafunguka. Dakar. Tungurande kumugabo nabwo mu Rwanda. Mr. Bagabo bari hano. Kisi yatunguye akagabo karamu. Bogis. Basi. Kagabo. Ngumi. Kagabo kebuka muri. Bloody moon. Kondo ijosi ryako. Toma. Warakuri kumi munda yashizemo amasazi binikira. We. Yeah. Hey.
All right, let's see what they got, gentlemen.
Basane na baba barimo.
Boss, you gotta see this.
Boss, banjebe n'ibingibi wa undi umuryabugoro. Bashe n'ibingibi. Boss agiye kureba ko mbiga bafite na map. Bafite map y'ishyamba.
More weapons from the Department of Defense.
Bafite ngo bari bategereje izindi ntwaro kuva muri Department of Defense.
What?
Iki? Abagabo ni bamwe abanyamerika.
These weapons are U.S. military issue.
Nakuba izi ntwaro nazo zirebye ni ntwaro z'abanyamerika.
Sir, is this bullshit?
Most definitely.
Uyu mwanda se batwerera kurwana na bene wacu cyangwa ntibaramenya icyabazanye.
Assholes to fight against us.
Who sent these assholes to fight against us? Nindi wowereje abaswa kuturwanya. Kumbe nibo bahabasanze. Umukobwa na
I thought we told you to stay your ass up.
wewe akubwiye ngo gumenja wacu bitu. Wewe umva bastard. Bakiraho bagitongana ibyabo abandi bamanutse. Yakisi. Yakisi afashe nini? Grenade. Nabari bamanitse baraba.
Clear.
Clear way. Biratunganye.
Explain to me why the government sent us down here.
Mbwira ni iyihe mpamvu government yatwohereje hano?
Listen, Jughead Grunt. Your job is to shoot that gun and not ask any questions. So follow your orders and keep your mouth.
Inshingano zanyu ni ukurasa aho musanga hano. Mukurikiza amabwiriza yanyu mwo kumbaza ubusa.
Chap, you knew damn well that those scientists were dead. You sent us here.
Batwareje bazi ko bascientist b'abanyasayansi bapfuye. Batwareje hano bazi icyo bashaka. Kuki turi hano? Imbaza byinshi bastard mwambwiye kuguma inyuma.
Jackie Torch's place.
Colby. Basunika ikigori. Bitu jagenda aza kugwemukira. Mukarage. Abasigira amatunda mu bikoresho by'abandi basa. Amatunda bivamo. Mashyamba ngayo. Bari babizi neza ko abaganga bapfuye babohereje basa naho babizi babohereje kubiye mpamvu.
My focus is to make sure my men get out of here alive, but I got a lot of questions.
Kobwa muti byo dukora byose turashaka kuva hano turi bazima.
That sometimes there's questions you really don't want to know the answers to.
That one concerns my men.
Urambaza wananiwe kubaza bakohereje ubwo urumva ari mfite icyo nabikora cyangwa umukobwa n'uwasiye baboherejemo n'umunetse w'umusirikare kazi.
You gotta lose one to save 1,000.
Next time you want someone to clean up your dirt, you bring in your own operatives. We are not your puppets.
Umva ikindi gihe nimushaka kujya mugira abantu baza gutunganya umwanda mwakoze muzajye mwohereza abasore banyu. Basiye Central Intelligence Agency ntabwo twe turi bikoresho. Abana abasirikare basanzwe. Ndekura muri abasirikare b'igihugu bastard. Get off me. Baho. Barakarekura. Kumbe CIA hari ikintu bakoze ngo gisa naho cyabananiye gutunganya. They want to clean up the mess. Bashaka gutunganya ibyabo bangije ba CIA. Abakobwa bamucaho. Bose bamucaho. Gapikisi niwe wasigaye inyuma. Gapikisi arareba nabi gusa.
The United States government says you are, and so am I.
Kumbe ko baganira ibyo. Hari ikibareba muri ubwo buryo. Ni igiki? Gifite vision idasanzwe umenye vision yacu kuntu ireba kireba nk'intuza nk'impongo. Vision ni kuri igiha ntabwo kireba muri aya mabara yacu twebwe turebamo. Twe dufite icyo bita full colors amabara arindwi. Urareba ijisho rigacanga amabara yose ku buryo utandukanya ngo iri niri. Ikindi cyarebaga muri vision idasanzwe. Sheze nk'inyamaswa.
All right, men, let's move on.
Hari icyo bumvishe.
Don't worry, Mamacita. Keep an eye on your ass.
Kobwa gitoya nta nshingano zo kurinda agatafari kawe. I was told to keep my eye on your ass. Ngo agomba kurinda agatafari k'umukobwa.
What do you got, soldier?
Something's out there.
Where am I looking?
Hari icyo bumvishe Gapikisi hari icyo yumvishe.
False alarm, I guess.
Eddie's guys. Let's take a break.
Tandukanira aho ngaho. Umwe icyo yumvishe ntabwo bakomeje kugishyira imbere cyane. Araka uyifasha kurya yifasha batitaye ku gikobwa bari kumwe nacyo.
Cigarette?
Itabisha. Bapisha bugoro burampagije acira ifumbi. Bugoro burampagije.
Colby, don't be such a pussy your whole life. Shut up. Hey, what do you think about that señorita over there, huh?
Uratekereza icyo kuri uriya mukobwa uri hariya?
Since I was a grunt.
Nagatangaza.
Ain't grunt no more?
Urashaka umukobwa cyangwa kiri ku bugoro?
You're not forces.
Ntabwo ibyo twakabikoze turi mu rugamba.
It's that whole emotional thing. It's their time of the month, they go postal.
Mama nshuti yange genda ndabona umukobwa atari cyo twakabaye tuganiraho. Bacaho. Tabi, cigarettes. Ko banywa amatabi ntabwo kumbe cya kintu gifite vision dasanzwe kirongera kirababona. Birebere yacyo nuko iteye ibyo baganira kirasa naho kirimo kurura amajwi.
Who you think you fooling? You wouldn't know what to do with a piece of ass that landed in your lap.
Nanjye ndimo ndibaza icyatuzanya no kurwana n'abantu batatubwiye n'impamvu turwana nabo.
You were gay.
That's what I thought, bro.
Hey, don't ask, don't tell, all right?
That was a sheep, man.
Don't make me gay.
No, just real strange.
Akana agatangaza wangu. It's very strange.
Quite a motley group of guys you got there.
Hari icyo usa nawe wibagiwe cyangwa?
Those are real men. Of course, you never met one of those with all those pussies you work with in Washington.
Uyu ni umwanda kutwohereza abatwohereje bicaye muri Washington batatubwiye n'umwanda bagiye kutwoherezamo. Uraza kumenya nyuma. Sekamo n'igikobwa gisekamo kumbe ni giseka. Muyo
What are you guys
naseka.
sipping on?
Want Daytona accent?
Both.
Roll, Sarge. Got you covered.
Wakim. Turakajya kuganira n'abasore barimo barashaka inzira yabakura aho ngaho bashaka n'undi mwansi ahari. Kumbe kuri target hari ikibakurura. imisozi bagenda mirasa n'ari amatwari ya cya kintu kireba kuri aho bajya hose gisa naho kibariho patroli wari inkambi zitorezwamo ntibababwiye abahitoreza ni bande kandi abakomando ubundi ntabwo babaza byinshi barabohereza mu kazi mukajya mu ijob kobwa ageze hano hari ikintu yabonye nta wundi wari wakibona maze vuba vuba aterura akantu kameze nk'akuma menye ibyo bamutumye wasa naho abizi yatunguwe n'akantu yabonye kareba yitonze arangije nta wundi muntu uragera tuka mu gitambara arangije arahisha kobwa ari kumwe n'abatari kumwe nabo katurori aho yari ari kumwe mu kara ariko se sha baby nakubufasha.
Who was that?
Yarind, who was that?
I said nothing.
Nakubwiye ngo ntacyo. Kwavuga ngo ntacyo kumbe katurebe. Katurebe. Ambaze nkwereke. Kandebe. 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 Hey, mukobwa. Hey, mukobwa. Umukino. Kumbe dudui. Daje nona. Be right back. Dudui. Abantu bo mu mashyamba. Abashenje nibo batwerejeho. Ugongo gongo. Kobwa Ariana, kobwa cyo kurosi kigabano. Ari wo mutaza badakuramo amara. Niba murashishije iki? Amara yose hasi. Yi. Kimukuyemo amara ni igiki? Uziko? Gapyisi ntacyo wumva. Kigiki se wangu. Kigiki ko ndi horo. Uriye ndi horo.
From that post-traumatic stress disorder?
Maybe. Will we talk about it? Not really.
You could talk to me, man. I'm like Dr. Phil.
Well, the counselor said I got good ears. I can listen.
Muri aka kanya dufite amatwi ariko ntitwumva biko dusa naho natwe tutazi neza kuki batwerejeho tutakizi.
Can I have some?
Urabyumva ute?
Back at base, I'll get you one.
Numva genda umva nta bintu byinshi nshaka kubaza sibyo sinshaka no kumva byinshi. Bawe.
You people ever stop talking?
Shara kuvuga kwanza akiri tabi umwe. Ndetse shari cyo numvije Gapyisi arumva shaho. Kimyuzura mugenzi wacu cya Gapyisi imbere. Hano bakubita n'umugabo wapfuye batangira gushakisha bamwishe ninde. Ni muri baduduyi babazanye hano. Bamenye ko abanzi barimo gupfa batazi nabo bica ni bande. Sasa ko bakaje kurwana na bya bigabo hari undi urimo kwica bya bigabo nawe utamenya ninde. Utari kumwe nabo. Mumetso baramwambuye.
We got company out here.
Looks like he was carrying supplies.
Hano turimo tureba abantu barimo barapfariza surprise itangaje. Sasa urimo kwica abantu bahanganye nabo. Niyo batari bamenya. Nagatangaza kare umwibuka harundi wakuwemo amara arimo kurubura ikirwana n'umukobwa. Yageze hano nawe ibigabo yaje akurikiye arabibuza arasanga amaraso iduyi dubanganye ko numva amaraso ashyushye anuka muri ibintu by'uruvutu ibiki ni mu ruvutu hari urimo kubafasha kwica aba bantu batari bamenya nindi ateye atarakora nkandi we yaje ate kandi araza nabi barahitana agahitana arakuramo we n'ibyo mu nda ni umuntu ni ikintu kobwa kuva cyagiye bakata cya kigabo n'ubu aracyahagaze yanahavuye we isaga n'uwaguye igihumure
Jesus Christ, this guy's brains are missing.
keretse tuyese niko barwaye hamuka ni ibiki
ain't playing possum.
Boss, Jesse cyabaye hano mva undi w'ubugoro kandi nyumvira kuna gasenda boye kakanuka mu ruvutu Where ukora iki? Urakurana agasenda mu biru gafata.
Talk to me, Tom. What happened here?
Where's Jack? Where'd he go?
Yagiye ninde ni igiki wari?
Come on.
Danga uje mbere tugere bari. Kobwa nani kuvuga.
Amen.
Kigo ryubonye ko nimo gukora mu gasenda bari kumupfusha. Gapyisi nta kibazo yifitiye n'ibintu byitwa inyama z'abantu. Ubundi se ko turya burushete zo ntiziba ari inyama wanga. Kuko barimo gutambuka rikimo kubareba muri ubwo buryo kandi kikabuma mu buryo bwacyo. Dore ukuntu kibareba za vision kuntu ziza. Mukarage nawe aracyakurikiranye. Abagabo yagiye akurikiye. Bamubuze mu buryo atazi kumva inyuma ye. We. Karaka. Karage. Kurtinyo. Kurtinyo.
What's going on?
Tell you what, Bendejo. We're not fighting a terrorist.
Boss, I've seen some things in my days, but that, I don't know what that is.
She knows something.
Yes, she knows.
Okay, all right. Back off.
Subiza inyuma hari icyo babonye batanye no gutekereza umukobwa hari icyo babonye.
I saw it.
So ntakibonye igikize.
I saw it.
Ntakibonye.
It's not like anything I've ever seen before.
Ni ikintu ntigeze mbona kuva na mbere.
Kill.
Kind of something I have never seen before.
Hey, this is bullshit.
Uyu no mwanda we. Hey.
Stop!
Murekere.
All right, fine. They told me that there was something out here.
Bambwiye ko ari ikintu.
Other than that, no, other than that, I
What are we
don't know.
doing with
Ni ikintu narize we kucyo utatubwiye na mbere wa mushenzi wagupima se.
No, wait.
Gapyisi mwe muretse.
Go do something.
Mwe muretse umukobwa wanza tubwire neza tubone ko ibyo tumuha. Umukobwa bakubwiye ko ari igiki. Ni igishorobwa, ni impyisi, ni igiki.
Something out here.
That's all I know.
Ikintu hano ni ibyo nzi gusa. Muhumeke.
It's just great.
Hey, where the hell are you going?
No! I'm done. I quit. She's crazy.
Well, how about you give me a cigarette?
Ndagiye mbivuyemo cyane we. Ubu ni ubusazi. Biva musujyane. Isegereti kwanza. Fata ibyawe.
Man, I gotta stop smoking these things. I used to be able to punish the booty 2 hours straight. Now I can't even go 20 minutes.
Your girl's always creeping over to my place.
Let me tell you something. Now for my baby making skills, I'm like the Puerto Rican baby making machine. I'm like the UN in this bitch. God sent me here for two things. That's making babies and saving the fucking day.
You need to get your head checked.
Well, I need to get my head checked?
Yes.
The last time I checked, you had postpartum depression.
Byatangiye kuganira gusa mugenzi ari byo bitumvikanaho. Kimwe kirumva ko cyaje hano kuzana yaje mu rugamba ariko ntabwo bashobora no kumuza ibyo shaka kugira ngo abe yakora bikore. Gapyisi.
Jenga.
Don't you mean Jenga?
Yeah. And we hugged. You want a hug? Man, you can't keep this stuff bottled up inside, man. It'll get all cloudy. Liable to hurt somebody.
What do you think we're out here to do in the first place?
Nta muntu umwe yigeze azana ashaka kubabaza. Niyo mpamvu adashaka kugira ngo abe yababaza kugeza n'uyu munota atazi impamvu arimo kurwana nabo. Kumbe iki cyabonye n'undi. Iki shaka kubabaza cyagiye kuri. Cyaje ku mpamvu ebyiri kurwana nta n'ibindi no gukora ibyo gishaka. Gapyisi. Kuri yanze ndaje nkwereke.
Shot soldier. What are you waiting for? Take the shot.
I can't.
That's what we get paid to do. Take the fucking shot.
Reka tujye gukora icyo twishyurirwa gukora mwana amafaranga ya leta tuyarya kugira tuzakora ibyo ngiye gukora. Kangiye gukora job.
I can't.
Gapyisi ajyayo.
flatten out, buddy.
Oh! Yajya guhindukira ikigabo cyazanye akumba gato nazana urupanga. Barahuza. Wangu ndakwica. Jewe se urabona nzanye iki? Baraka. Kagabo yagashize hasi gapyisi. Ana igipanga cyako. Se wa musente. Bastard. Kuma hasi.
You want to tell me who you work for?
Mukorerande, who do you work for? Simbi.
You don't know.
Ntabwo bizi?
I don't know.
Simbi.
Out here. I don't know.
Who do you work for? Simbi.
I don't know, man.
Simbi wangu. Kuginyo.
Maybe you want to talk now?
No,
Nabwira none wapi?
No.
You got answers.
No, I don't got it.
Nabwira mumbwire.
What are you doing?
Fata akaboko hano.
No. What are you doing? No.
You got 5 fingers.
Ufite intoki eshanu sibyo? Paka umbwiye.
No.
Urwa mbere kirarukato.
Now you got 4 fingers.
Usigaranye enye.
You want to tell me
murakorera nde hano? Wapi ntago mbizi wangu. Ntabwo bizi? Urundi rutoki.
You got 3 fingers left.
Ufite eshatu zisigaranye. Ukorera nde? Ntabwo bizi na n'ubu. Bose abumaraho noneho. Ayiwe.
Hunter? What are you talking about?
The hunter.
Ko yakamuhaye ngo barakorera nde kumbe nabo boherejwe mukabo boherejwe babwira ngo hari ikipe muzasanga yo muzayihitane. Hari vision irimo kwakirwa hano, hari ikireba gutyo, niba ari umuntu, niba ari ikintu, nibyo utambaza. Nuko vision isa nuko amushaza.
Jackie! Alec!
The hell are these guys?
Baje bashaka bagenzi babo. Miumetu. Oh, yagitunga kagabo. Wamufashije. Chira imbere yari cyatu yo. Hey! Yewe. Sindura amagara bagenzi be. Umbe bagenzi be bari mbali. Ni igiki kikomeje kukara mu bantu. Udu yaragiye kumuha ikintu kiramutabara. Umvishe Chris asakuza. Chris. Musanga nawe yahamutse.
He was just right here.
Mwana yarahagaze hano. Ninde se kandi mwene nyoko? We yarahagaze hano.
Snatched a man like that.
What?
He was right here.
This ain't right. That's a whole lot of blood.
Why would somebody take a body?
Not somebody, man. Something.
Hari cyari gihari. Something.
Something.
Hari cyari gihari. Wiki? Icyari gihari.
Okay.
Chegetse ni ikintu.
Now, come on, let's go. Move.
Reka tugende. Amaraso ku biti. Oh. Basare. Sigaye wenyine nawe. guys arahamagara abasore bagenzi be. Vision mbere ye uzimunda usubya umusore sinzi kimujyana ndakibona we ndimo barapfa nabi bo kibatangiyemo uwo numwe bawundi w'ubugoro ako se abandi baziye ubugoro buruzuye mu kanwa ko hasi gapikisira gafite uruhande rw'ubonye iki simbizi wangu simbizi kabisa simbizi mazi akibonye we ati uri mbonye imbata zo mu mazi ubonye za zibishuhesha simbizi twari mutwa mwijosi no mu ndamu munyabugoro babonye ikintu kimuzamura mu biti mu kirere aho kimutishije yakomeye imiyo munano vuba imiriro yanyu ceasefire enzo abaciye mu buryo batazi
I don't know, goddammit.
natwarasaga iki yese ndabizi gapfa
We gotta get to that chopper. What about Colby, sir?
dushaka indege tuve hano wiki none adutangiye ibyo ngabo baragiye go find a chopper
Have you been?
nta kintu wabonye wapiniga yewe na cyari horo simbizi wabonye iki mbonye bombo mukanya.
All right, come on. Hey! Hey, break it up, okay?
Bitut.
You want to kill each other, you can do it later.
Murashaka kwica muze kubikora mu nyuma. You want to kill each other, do it later.
2 clicks, recon, go.
Roger. Hari byo tugomba guhangana nabyo hano. Egora tafandi. Wangu turaza kubona na nyuma. Senze shaki, senze. Amashamba barimo. Ikibica ntago bakizi. Hano hari uramutse ukurikiranye arahana amaraso yerekera amaraso arimo arajya kumva ko bakarikuye amasasu menshi hari uruntu rurimo kugwa mu kazu dore urutwe kuntu rumeze rucometseho ibintu by'ibyuma n'ibitsinga mu nda ku maboko ahantu hose ni umuntu umeze atyo no ku mubiri harimo n'ibishakoshi ni umuntu ugenda akivura acometse ibitsinga mu mubiri acomoramo ashyiramo pièce de rechange pièce ashyiramo kwicunga neza mashini namubwira ko yahuye n'ikibazo pièce de rechange arebye neza kabako karakora afungura hano ni umuntu nyabakira ucometse w'ibyuma menya ari unakomeje kuba ibyo yabahaye cyagiye barasa amasasu menshi yafashweho bamurashe bari bumvishe icyo ni iki ni inkongoro ntacyo mwumvishe gikakara hey kumbe ni urugabo hari rurimo kubarinda biteye rusa naho rufite ubwonko budakora neza ruribuka ntirwibuke neza.
You know, gentlemen, there's nothing, absolutely nothing more honorable, more pure, more selfless than serve your country.
Nta kindi gitumye muzanywe kujya muzakorera igihugu cyanyu. You are here to serve your country.
Great, gentlemen. You know what that means?
Baje bahambiriye amaboko.
The things that you will have to give up to enter this program, too numerous to count.
Mugiye guhindurwa muri za program.
You'll
ntabwo muzongera gutekereza ibyo mwatekerezaga ntabwo muzongera kwibuka
life that you dreamed of.
ubuzima bwose mwigeze mutekereza
Every thought, every person that you ever loved.
inyungu zanyu ndetse n'abo mwakunze
that you can remember.
muraza kubura ubwonko bwanyu byose biragarukira hano kumbe gifite ubwonko aho cyicaye kirimo kiribuka hari utuntu kibuka.
From this second forward, that is all that you have.
uyu munota wa nyuma nibyo mugiye kugira byonyine hanyuma hasigaye muraza guhinduka imashini z'intambara. War machines, war weapons. Wabwiraga yambaye atyo arangije afata pistol. Ubwonko bwabo bwa nyuma bagomba gutekerezaho ubwo bwagomba kuba ari ubwa nyuma. Bagomba kubatabara batari bashiramo umwuka umutima ugitera bakabahindura ibyo babahindura.
Even when tough love is the order of the day. Cannon number 1, stand to your feet.
Mbere barahagurukije ubikoze mwibuke neza ni wa mugabo filime itangira bari bahamagaye kuri ka telefone muri Pentagon.
It's also unfortunate that you're not a cabinet member.
Kana gatangaza ibukana bizaba baba yarabapimye bahita bacaho umutima kutabara ugitera mu mutwe bagashyiramo ibyo bashaka. Ni abantu b'intambara biremeye. Ubundi nawe wicaye baje bahambiriye amaboko ku buryo utarwana. Nawe rero mubimenye neza ko mubaye imashini z'intambara gukunda igihugu cyanyu nibyo muzashyira imbere. Mugiye muri E16 program, ni program y'ingabo zitwa E16.
You stops. You know, Grandma always told me to stay away from the horse. I'm glad I listened to Grandma.
Stand up.
Turn around and face the wall. Turn around.
Turn around.
Welcome to the program.
Welcome to the program. Kazaneza muri gahunda.
Cannon number 3, you must realize that sometimes killing is also protecting life.
Rimwe na rimwe hari igihe abantu nkamwe bashobora kuba bataramenye ko kwica rimwe na rimwe wica ugiye kurinda ubundi buzima.
Be a ferocious killer, you'll also be a lifesaver.
Kwica bagenzi bawe ko tubishe tugiye kubakora mu T16 itandukanye nawe.
Compound.
Ariko ibyo dukora byose no kugira muzashobora kurinda ubundi buzima bw'abanyamerika.
Cortex.
Igishinge cya mbere. Oya yari uw'ibishinge nta rusasu. T16.
That's the last pain sensation that you feel.
Nibwo buribwe bwanyu mugiye kumva kuvukira ikiremwe cy'uwa rimwe umeze ukomeza ukunguku. Kongera igishinge cya kabiri.
Not your average one that you get at happy hour, son. That's because of deficiency in the brain.
Hasigaye uzajya ubona ibihe bidasanzwe urwana intambara zidasanzwe ntabwo uzongera kuribwa na rimwe.
Control your ass in cases of glitching.
Ubu tugiye gukontorora agatafari kawe mu bihe byose bikomeye n'ibyoroheje.
We're done here. Taking the wing 4. First surgery.
Uko bimeze. Kumbe kirasa nawe kirimo kwibuka. Ibyo bagikoreye byose ngiki ni kizima. Aho cyicaye mugenzi kumbe cyaribuka kuko cyakibu cyarasohotse. Imashini y'intambara baremye abanyamerika. Isuzuma barimo kwikoresha. Yamata abakomando b'abanyamerika. War machine. Aboherejwe nk'ikipe ikaze. Menya yarajije kugira ngo yitorezweho. Mu makipe akaze bemeraga.
Yes, I understand. Execute the order to take out the team. Order collateral damage assessment of the area.
Utunganye ibimenyetso byose hanyuma muveyo.
Give the execute order to our asset on the ground. They back him ASAP. Get me satellite imagery of the area. Find a way to clean up this mess.
Mushaka uburyo mutunganye uwo mwanda sinshaka kumenya kandi azavuye amakuru mabi ku buryo tuzagenda dusobanura ibintu tudafite gusobanura. Cyagari we. Abakuru baravuze ngo nibatunganye umwanda wose iriyo nabo basore atagira uvayo kuko ari ikibazo.
6. Do you read me?
Uranyumva over? Hello? Over?
Alpha Bravo 6.
Alpha Bravo gatandatu baro nyumva wumva bagenda ubutabazi bw'indege agomba kuzana yaje.
You're the reason we're out here in this godforsaken jungle.
Yes, ikobwa gitanze kutubwira impamvu turi hano muri iri cyamba.
Played us for their own game.
Mwana je ni impfura za kumba nurumva ni impfura mbona. Nipfa je urambona.
All of us to kill it.
Twese turi mu byago n'uyu mukobwa arimo bastard.
Matter. We need to kill this thing or it will kill us.
Kiza kutwica cyatumarana n'uyu mukobwa arimo nago kimurobanura.
For this.
Ntabyo yarasi nawe.
Up for this, because I sure as hell didn't.
You know he's right, sir. Well, we don't have much of a choice now, do we?
Namahitamo menshi dufite muranyumva.
Enough! Stand down, soldier. That's an order.
Hagarara we niwongera gukora kuri uyu mukobwa iri nitegeko kandi. Stand down, that's an order. Mukobwa bagasaranye ukari kabisi. Mukobwa muto.
Sir, look, we need to play offense as well as defense here. Okay, that's the only way we're going to make it out of here.
No, the only way we're going to make it out of here is to make it to the extraction point.
That's if there is an extraction.
Icyo dushaka no kugira ngo tube twavana umva kugira ngo tube twavana kugera kuri extraction point. Aho tugomba kurimburira icyo kintu.
You need to play offense against this bastard.
Turakirimburira rero nta numwe utakibonyeho.
It's getting late.
Dutangire dushaka uburyo tugitegamo.
Play offense against this bastard.
Ibyo bavugaga byose. Cyumvaga ndetse kirimo kirabareba gifite vision byacyo uburyo kirebamo. Gapyisa afite mikinga cha wagikobwa wishafu. Ndamutse mpfuye shafu wambona kabisa. Bajya mu mitego. Ni imashini y'intambara yaremwe. Aba nabaje gupimirwaho.
Do what we do best. We wait.
Dukora icyo tuzi gukora kurusha ibindi ni ukurwana. We do what we do best. That's fighting. Kora ibyo bazi gukora kurusha ibindi. Bategereje Dudu ikwaca mu nzira. Cya kigabo giteye kwacyo gituruka no mu biti mukagitegera mu gahanda nyabagendwa. Bastard. Ko kitaza wangu. Yo mpamvu tugomba gukanura mpaka.
Come on.
Notabike cyane. Ho!
So it's just another terrorist.
Menya batarafatije icyo bateze.
Legs along this way.
Kana agatangaza. Mu ndebere umusenzi shaduteze. Nk'uyu yajyagahe.
Use his body to trip the mind.
He's playing us for a fool. I think I'm officially freaked out.
Gapyisi jateye ukwe se wafataga agasenda babo icyagiye ubari kukuguru. Arakunywesha itabi.
This thing is hunting us.
Ikintu ni kimwe mugomba kumenya. It is hunting us. Kirimo kiraduhiga. Ibyo dutega turasa nabibeshya ahubwo nabandi bagwa mu mitego hari cyahaguye.
Let me guess. This is bullshit?
Bingo.
Gonna be able to take me out that easy?
Ntabwo biri bworohe kabisa ariko umusenzi mubonye shaho namuha icyuma shaho. Akazuba padiri ro mwana mutagatifu bajyemo. Ewa. Hey, barongera bajya gutega.
All right, this is not a bad little rig you got here. For a woman.
It's not a bad little rig you got there. For a boy.
Si bibi byumaze gukora mukobwa muto. Uri umukobwa.
Oh, whatever.
Yes.
You want to see this ring?
And God made Adam.
You're missing out.
Baby man. Hey. Dore niga kunitambuka jya ngo cyambaye rasoro mu birenge. Baby. Kujagaciye kumva urukobwa hakuno. None rero atari uyu mugabo rwita Lieutenant kuva kare. Woodbine. Joaquim.
Look, I'm sorry what I said about your team before.
Umbabanira kubw'ibyo navuze ku ikipe yawe kuva na mbere. I'm sorry for what I told you about your team before.
The best.
Muko, yangane kabisa. Now.
Started off as a beautiful day, huh?
Sana utagize umunsi mwiza. Ninde ari kwakwishimira umunsi nk'uyu?
In Iraq.
Nari muri Iraq.
Colonel used to say all the time it was a beautiful day to die.
Twakomezaga tuvuga ngo umunsi mwiza wo gupfa. Buri uko bukeye. None uyu munsi yenda abona kabisa dusa n'abari mu batalibane kabisa.
It's in a chopper.
Negereje indege.
Shot down over Somalia.
Turibaza niba uri buzana.
Ambushed, kidnapped. And I was the only one who survived.
Hanyuma tanya no kuganira iby'indege barasiye muri Somalia. Uyu mugabo yagiye mu ntambara nyinshi. Yari mu ndege yaragisuye muri Somalia. Urangije n'umwe mu bakize bari barimo.
Maybe I'm cursed.
Yibuka muri Somalia abanyamerika bagiye muri 92. Bakavayo shishi itabona. Bakubitanye n'uruva gusenyerwa abashababu.
This area was the testing ground for the E-16.
Ibintu twaje guhiga hano ni ibintu byaje kuba byatozwa bya E-16 n'ingabo zaremwe.
Okay, I'm listening.
Rwana nk'imashini.
E-16.
E-16.
It's a covert project to create the perfect cyborg soldier. Talking half man.
Ni projet yakozwe na leta bagiye gukora perfect cyborg soldier abasirikare ariko nanone batenga za cyborg bameze nk'imashini.
Equipped with weapons straight out of a comic book.
Ni intwaro n'abantu badatekereza kimwe na nkatwe usibye ko bagira ubwonko budasa na budakora neza.
Morphing and multiplying into an intelligence level we would never understand.
Ni ibintu tugeze tumenya natwe kuva na mbere.
Complete.
Nibyo duhanganye na byose cyane byaruzuye birimo birakora ubu nibyo duhanganye. Se batuzanye.
Why is it taking human brains?
I have no idea.
Nanjye ubwo nta gitekerezo mbifitemo.
Half man, half machine, huh? Well.
Yes.
Then I guess it is a beautiful day to die.
Niyo mpamvu navuze ngo it's a beautiful day to die. Ni umunsi mwiza wo gupfiramo. Bari. Kibonye basubira inyuma. Muhungaye mu. Kiss. Hakuru. Say. Mutwe. Bajya bijos. Cyborg soldier.
All right, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
I think I shot it.
Check and I think I shot it. Banzuzu bane kuvuga ko wakirashe wese cyaguhaye ibiki. Wera tugende nyagupfa.
Where's everybody else?
Bandi bagiye he?
This is
Utwe.
Go! Get out of here! You bastard!
Gitutu we! Gitu! Hey, uhamagara iki?
Can't kill me, motherfucker.
You tortured, huh?
Billy!
Get out of here, Get wish. rimwe gusa barakanuriranye ku maso we ntabwo kibonye icyo gitashye umushenja uziko yandatse igishisha umushenja mu gitsisha umushenja 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 ifite akazu kiraramo uziko n'ijisho umushenja paturunu rw'urushinge acomeka mu bico gihonoboramo umushenja mukweduka onde ijisho gisubizamo ka kamera ijisho riba rifatiyeho ka kamera gafite lensi zikurura na zoom kirebana kure amasaha ari icuma n'imashini y'intambara bahanganye nayo uwo mashini abagabo zirashize tenant asigaye wenyine Tenant. Nk'abakomano ngo mu mashyamba niba n'igikobwa cyamutaye niba nacyo cyapfuye numbaze gusa yashakaga indege Amanda Boakim Woodbine amazina y'inyakuri tangira gushaka uruntu ushenja rera ushenja ari gicuku
Come and get me. Come and get me.
Bayumbone njyane. Come and get me ngo ngwino nyakira. Ari Maria hamagarira. Cyembo ngibyo. Eyi abona umuriro. Shenji namubonye. Arishora. Arashora we egize police. Arashoye izihuta. Baje kabuga. Kabuga. Yagasamba. Arashora. Yeze hano.
I got you. How's that feel, boy?
Return, honey. Yeah. So wagerageje. Sikara wenyine. Irakurura fana yindi. AK-47. Imikino kibona noneho. Kurikira. Arongera arashora. Anyendegese police nk'ugiye Kabuga Murindi. Gashora Nyagasamba n'intunga hose hakuri agera kuri kakazu kumba ni wa ruzingi usiko uriya rero biba byiza iyo umuntu agumye mu matware nabona ikintu kirimo kirishukuramo ibintu gifite urusatsi rumwe wajya ni rasita nawe ahitamo kuhatega aho hantu ibisasu grenade zimwe ziciriritse kwatega ibisasu njareba neza komeza aratega ibyo atega ariko uwo nindi uri ku mucyango wanjye arakomanje ngo ari serious yewe dore wo kacukabo Ataragenda. Focus. Yeah. Now buribwe na nerves iki gifite. Wapi? Focus.
Never easy.
Brunei yakishubije mu kazu. Fata ya telekomande. Akazu yari yagateze. Yaturikije akazu. Abo bagenzi bagapiriye. Yaturikije akazu yararangize kugatega. Sinzi katurori niba ataha. Niba sigara hano niba yarwanye intambara ishoboka inota mike cyane helicopter ije kumukura aho ngaho
Tyler
cya gikobwa cyari cyagiye kwaka ubufasha
hang in there soldier
kobwa mugenzi yamuzaniye ubufasha Chopper akindi yakoze yakuye mu komanda aho ngaho abapanze biriya bigabo by'intambara ibyo bitaho machines nta kindi bagombaga gukora no guzatanga raporo mu bakuru usari wagomba gutanga ubuhamya waroshe
All the information.
oya amakuru yose se arayafite se ibyo biraza kunkora wowe umukuru yagizemo ikikango yumvishe ko ari umusore wakize uwo musore nubwo yimba kujyana ubutumwa akavuga ibintu byose ko byagenze dore wari warapanze zangabo ndetse yohereze n'abakomando bakomeye ngo ari barasuzuma ingabo yiremeye arebe ko hari icyo sishoboye yatangiye kugeramo ikikanga amenya ko azabaza byinshi na senate.
This is the greatest nation.
Yemeraga igihugu cye ko ari igihugu cy'agatangaza ndetse yemeye kugikorera ibishoboka byose kugira ngo atabare ubuzima bw'abanyamerika. Gusa ikibazo cyaje kuba n'uwacitse ku icumu rya kiriya kintu cyari cyamaze abakomando kandi ari wabohereje bose. Yamenye ko kamubayeho abanyamerika azababwira iki kujya kwica abasore babo ngo agiye gusuzuma ikinyamaswa baremye umuntu w'igisimba umuntu utagira control kandi yaje ku ruhande yirangije yakwandika n'urwandiko
This second that I did what was best for the country that I call my own.
Yabikoze ngo ku giti cye nta n'undi muntu agishije inama.
That is all that I have.
Kubw'izo mpamvu aho kugira ngo azajye kubazwa byinshi mu rukiko banamukatire yarihaye yakarangije ko yaramenye ko ari survivor ba survivor ni babiri hari igikobwa ndetse na musore uvuyeyo abo bari bagiye gutanga amazimwe ya byinshi bagiye kugera hakuno kumbe dore wa wundi wamuhaye mission nawe yari yahawe mission atazo mutumye icyo mutumiye yaje kumureba mugenzi.
Great work, soldier. I'm going to put you in for a medal for this.
Wakoze akadaga sanze umusore kuva biri muzima mu gihe abandi bashiraga utaza aho tubohereje. Yamuhaye imidari y'abagenzi be bose baguyeyo.
I'm sorry, son.
Yangane musore muto. Nanjye naboherezaga ari amabwiriza mfite.
Protocol in these type of operations.
Ntabwo nigeze mbwirwa mu buryo burambuye ibyo operation ishinzwe.
And again,
nibyo nasobanura gusa.
You did an amazing job.
Gusa wakoze akazi gahambaye kuva yuri muzima. Ubwo nta bandi bigeze bavayo ngo baze no guhamya ibyabaye. You did a major job.
Something, Colonel.
Wakoze kano.
Never did like cigars.
gusa nawe wazoboswa bastard kutabaza akubise koroneri wa muginga akubise koroneri muginga sana shenzi bahaga mission ntabazi byari byo ako nanye byo umusenzi ngiye kuki ntabajije ngiye aziko twese turi abasenzi abapfuye kuki batambajije twese turi abasenzi ngiye kujya he
go meet the families
ni umuryango ngomba kujya kuruhuka
and tell them the truth.
Niko kuri kandi
I was wrong about you. And thank you for coming back out there to get me. You saved my life.
Anytime.
hanyuma kandi niba wumva ushaka ko twazaganira uzambwira iki icyo ari cyo cyose njye nini shonsa ariko se wumva uretse se ariko se ntabwo ndimo komana umunwa wawe numva hariho n'umunyu wari kugenda ryose numva hariho n'isukari n'umunyu gusa hariho n'isukari tuzabonana nawe numvise isukari rero tuzabonana ubwo cyangwa cyo intambara yari irangiye yitwaga Fleshuns ikurikirana uyicika abantu bakuru ni jewe ni wumva atari yanga ni uburenganzira bwawe kuvuga uti icyo gifilime sinkireba please yari yanga from the one video library Fleshuns ndakubwiye itari yanga ntukayemera ariko askegari we aske burya yanyu naho bahagaze hejuru abantu bakuru mukomeze muyarye nije muyirebe yanga there today